Hello viewers, welcome back. Let us start the installation of Pycharm in your system. First go to the Chrome browser, search for Pycharm download. You will find the first result JetBrains. Click on download Pycharm. You will find Pycharm Professional. It is a paid version. You can use it for free for only 30 days. But for the lifetime usage, we need community version. Just scroll down. You will find Pycharm Community Edition. It is free for lifetime. So click on the download button. Downloading will be started. As I have already downloaded, I have cancelled it. Open the downloads folder. You will find the Pycharm community.exe file. Right click on it. Run as administrator. You will find a new window. Welcome. Click on next. Click on next. Then you will see a destination folder path. If you want to edit the destination folder, change clicking on browser. Else click on next. Here you will see installation options. Carefully select everything. Click on desktop shortcut. Update path variables. Read everything and select all checkboxes. Click on next. Click on install. It starts installing. Wait for the completion of installation process. Then after, you will see this window. Click on finish. You will find boot now option. Select boot now and click on finish. Your system will restart. Pycharm will be updated. Wait for it. After successful restart of your computer, you will find Pycharm shortcut on your desktop. So successfully Pycharm is installed.